Most other states have already been doing this, but now the Oregon Health Authority just released a new way to track the virus by zip code. Very specific. Jenny Young going beyond the headlines tonight to find out how you can use this information, which is a good question. Jenny?
Well, Jeff, a lot of health authorities in the counties in our area do have mixed opinions about this. Some are saying that it is not indicative of the way the virus is spreading, and they ask that you keep that in mind when looking at it. Counting coronavirus by zip code. When OHA released a spreadsheet, our Coin6 web team turned the data into a map. So what does it show?
The data is showing where people live, not necessarily where they were exposed or where they acquired the infection.
In more affluent cities like Lake Oswego and West Linn, the case count is less than 10. Portland's more exclusive neighborhoods haven't been hit hard either. The hot zips in Portland are in predominantly minority neighborhoods.
That data will have limited usefulness, and where it lacks context, that's a problem.
Multnomah County Health Director Rachel Banks explained more concerns she and her colleagues have about the data.
Consciously or subconsciously, people are going to not be as cautious.
And that's the concern, that people would use this data or interpret it in a way that they could relax the physical distancing or relax hand washing. Overall, we want to make sure that people don't have a false sense of security, that if they just avoid this zip code or maybe stay in this zip code, that means their chances are lower.
Over in Marion County, cases have exploded in Woodburn. We reached out to public health officials there to get their opinion about this new way of plotting cases. They said the zip code data has helped officials understand where they need to strengthen their messaging about the virus. And in Washington County, health officials told us releasing the zip code data is not helpful in stopping the spread of the virus and said it could further marginalize certain groups. I want to mention that some of the larger outbreaks that you see on the map are tied to some nursing homes in that particular zip code. So if you want another look at that map, you can go to coin.com. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, Coin6 News.
And several states around the country have already produced maps like this and several weeks ago. So no doubt this is something that a lot of folks here can really start to dig into.